How workers' compensation works. I'm Robert Huber, and my firm represents victims of workers' compensation cases in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The workers' compensation claim process can be complicated, so let's walk through each stage of the process. Workers in Pennsylvania are entitled to 4 benefits under workers' compensation law: medical benefits paid, wage loss paid, specific loss benefits, and death benefits. All 4 parts will be handled throughout your case, depending on the type of case that you have, and it is highly recommended that you seek the help of an experienced, certified workers' compensation attorney in Pennsylvania, as the law dictates that you are entitled to certain benefits, the benefits I've just mentioned, and it can be very difficult for you to obtain those benefits if you don't fully understand them. Now let's talk about the stages of a workers' compensation claim. The very first stage is your reporting of the injury when you're hurt at work. The second stage is the pre-hearing stage, when you're receiving treatment and diagnosis of your injury initially. The third stage is the hearing stage, at which time a petition has been filed and it's before a workers' compensation judge for hearing. The fourth stage is then mediation and settlement. It's at that point that most cases resolve. It can take months and sometimes years for any case to resolve in the workers' compensation system. So it's important to have an attorney who's experienced with workers' compensation law and the processes, so your case will move along. Remember that the insurance companies often will delay this process as long as possible to make you wait for the money that you deserve, and oftentimes try to get you to settle for less than you're entitled to. A good attorney that is experienced in the workers' compensation system will fight for your rights and make sure that you're being treated fairly, and will level the playing field for you so that you can receive the compensation that you are entitled to and deserve. At Huber & Palzer, we have been fighting for injured workers and their rights for over 20 years. If you have been recently injured, or a family member or friend has been recently injured at work, call us today for a free, no obligation consultation.